to show you how easy it is to launch a Zinc background check within the Pinpoint platform. Come down to your open jobs, select the chosen job, and select your candidate. Once you've selected the candidate you want to send the background checks to, click on the three dots and select Zinc background check. Then select the package that you want to send to the candidate. These can be built within the Zinc platform itself and then will show up within Pinpoint after building the integration. Select the package you want to send and press Send Invite. Zinc will then pull the candidate's first name, last name and email address and kickstart the process for you. After the candidate has completed the checks and they've all come back, you will find a link to the final report in the Checks tab. There will be a link here that will take you through to the final report that will be within the Zinc platform.